Now, looking for my previous, you know, I do life with puppets. Juan does him. This guy right. This guy. He does some travel videos. He does lives. With me. Well, I'm the face of lives because I'm a cool cowboy. Yeah. So, doctor, where you're from? Doctor, who, what, where you're from? Do you do videos as well? So que people can go to your channel, subscribe to you, like those videos. You're from Oklahoma? What? You're from the center of the United States of America. So you're from Oklahoma City? Fascinating. Oklahoma. Oklahoma. No, Oklahoma. Oh, no, that's Alabama. Sweet home Alabama. The crossroads awesome. That's fascinating. That's awesome. You're from the Heartlands? Do you do videos there? Do you do your YouTube channels there? Do you do YouTubing? OnlyFans? Instagram? Facebook? TikTok? Whatever you have, just put it on here so people can subscribe to your channel. You can hear me. I got boogies. Boogies. Okay. You wanna see my tongue? Yeah. Oh, music. Oh, you're a musician. That's awesome. You like singing country? Oh, man, Oklahoma. Wait one second. Yeah. So, hey, baby. This is my computer. You can put here now. I do some editing. It's like my office. It's like the right place to do my edits. My stuff. Through here. Relax. People ask questions. Do I like cute? Am I cute? Am I right, Herbert? You're being here. So, Doctor, you want me to be your music? No, you're. What? I don't know, man. I don't know if I got my bottom. I watch the cast. Oh my god, is that Jared? Oh my gosh, walking my fifth. I'm doing good. My day was awesome, Burke. It was very awesome. How was your day, Burke? You cannot barely hear me? I'm sorry. Next time, speak louder. Ah, speak louder, man. Speak louder. They cannot hear you. Doctor needs to know what you're talking about so they can listen to me. The beautiful cowboy. Ah, better. Oh, Brooke is busy. She's a very busy girl. She's a very cool girl. This Brooke, subscribe to her. Oh, bro. Doctor says hi. Say hello. Say hello. How are you? Subscribe to Brooke. Yeah. If you like the Bible verse, she reads me her shorts. Very, very interesting.